Ballyland early keyboarding software, settings for sounds and spoken support.
This is the main menu. Use the Tab key to navigate between buttons and press Enter to select the level of your choice. Teachers and parents, click Settings or press Shift+S for important information.
So these settings are quite relevant, and you can adjust the different ways that the sound is supporting the child. So let's do the Shift+S and you will hear what the different options are there.
General Settings. Press Shift+I to listen to the instructions on Ballyland shortkeys. To return to the main menu, press Shift+M. Use the Tab key to navigate between settings. There is only one setting at the General Settings.
This is the menu where you can turn this self-voicing on and off. So if you want this voice to stop telling you what to do in the menus, you can turn it off here. So we'll go there by the Tab key.
Here you can turn self-voicing on and off. Press minus to turn it off and plus to turn it on again. It is currently on.
So I'll use minus and turn it off. And then I do Shift K and I'm back in the main menu. Now we can also go to any key goes. We use the Tab key and press Enter or spacebar. And we come to this game. Now if we do Shift S again, we come to the settings menu of any key goes.
Touch.
And here are different kind of settings. You can set the number of seconds it takes before the child is encouraged to press a key. This means that, for instance, I have it on 30 seconds now. If the child doesn't press any of the keys for 30 seconds, it will be encouraged, he or she will be encouraged to do so. The voice says, come on, press a key. It's just to encourage active play. There's another setting where you can turn the spoken description after the sound effect on and off. And there's one where you can set the number of seconds between the sound effect and the spoken description. And this is very handy because if you want to give a child more time to process and identify a different sound that they've just heard, you can set it to much longer, which gives them the opportunity to speak what they think the sound was, and then hear the little girl give the description of the sound. It's also a very good support for children who come from a non-English speaking background, and they can practice the English and say it themselves and then hear whether it was correct or not. Another setting that can be changed here is the manual colors for better support for vision. But there's another tutorial on this setting that you can find in our other tutorials. Well, I hope that this tutorial was useful to you, and please contact us if you've got any questions.